Good morning, students. I am here to explain demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative, it is an adjective. Its verb form is to demonstrate. To demonstrate, it means to show or to point. So demonstrative pronouns, they point to something specific which may be far or near. Demonstrative pronouns point to something specific which may be near or far. Remember, demonstrative pronouns, they are followed by verbs. Demonstrative pronouns, they are followed by verbs. Demonstrative pronouns are these, that, these and those. These, that and their plural form, these and those. These, that, these and those, when they are followed by verbs, they are demonstrative pronouns. See these examples. That is the corner you have to sit in. Here, that. It shows, it points something specific that is far, that. So that is the corner you have to sit in, and that it is followed by the verb is. Second sentence, these are the bed sheets. These, it is a plural form of these. These, it is followed by verb are. So it is a demonstrative pronoun. Third, those are the naughtiest children I have met. Here those, and here those, it is followed by the verb are. So that, these, those, in these examples, they are demonstrative pronouns. I repeat, demonstrative pronouns, these, that, these and those, they are followed by verbs. Now, demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives, they modify nouns. Demonstrative adjective, because we know the definition of adjective. Adjective, it is a word that modifies a noun. So, demonstrative adjectives, they modify nouns. They are followed by nouns. Demonstrative adjectives, they are followed by nouns. And these demonstrative adjectives are these, that, these and those. See, demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives, both are same. These, that, these, those. Same here, demonstrative adjectives, they are these, that, these, those. So what is the difference? Difference is that demonstrative pronouns, they are followed by verbs, whereas demonstrative adjectives, they are followed by nouns. See the examples. That corner is for you. Here that is there. But that, it is followed by corner, and corner, it is a noun. So that, it is a demonstrative adjective. Next, these bed sheets are beautiful. Here these, it is followed by bed sheets and it is also a noun. So these, it is a demonstrative adjective. Next, those mangoes are fresh. Here those, it is followed by mangoes and it is a noun. So those, it is a demonstrative adjective. See these examples. Here this, it is followed by verb are. That is why it is a demonstrative pronoun. Here this, it is followed by noun. So it is a demonstrative adjective. Next example. Here those, it is followed by are. That is why it is a demonstrative pronoun. Whereas here those, it is followed by noun mangoes. So it is a demonstrative adjective. So when these, that, these and those, they are followed by verbs, they are demonstrative pronouns. And when these, that, these and those, they are followed by nouns, they are demonstrative adjectives. Thank you, students.